Hey you guys, Arcade coming at you from the land of Kirby again, the Battle of Blizzard Bridge. Now generally this isn't a very hard level. One of these hidden missions is just grueling to complete. At the very end of the level you'll see we have to battle a Wild Frosty, but they're twins, so there's two of them. To complete the hidden mission though, you cannot take any damage during that battle, so go ahead and follow along. I'm going to show you the easiest way to do it in my opinion, and wish me luck. Here we go. Alright, so hopping into the Battle of Blizzard Bridge. First things first, your first hidden mission is going to be right before you even enter the level. If you run over here to the left, you can run through this rubble and find a maximum tomato. So right there, take a detour, and find a maximum tomato. Alright, and now we can continue on into the level here. Alright, so kind of like I said before, there's nothing like super hard about this level. The hardest part is going to be near the end. Now, I'm not going to lie, it may take me a time or two to actually complete that. It really is just a grueling mission. By far the hardest mission that we've had yet. So first things first, I'm gonna take out this guy. Whoa! Alright, perfect. Just like that. Now, with each of these bosses that you beat, you do want to grab their ability. Because it will be important for the very next section. We're going to get a little heals right here. And now, we're going to run into this little tunnel here. And now you can see why we needed it. You need to be able to cut that vine to get this cone down. Now you got to watch it and time it. You don't have to drop it on that platform. Just like so. Alright, so of course, mouthful ability, the cone. Take all those guys out. And here's our crack in the floor. And our first Waddle Dee. Alright. Perfect. Now, spit that out. You'll notice these wanted posters right here for Elflin. Go ahead and take them out. It's going to be another one of your missions. Remove 4 wanted posters. So, of course, there's our first of 4. Now we can exit this part. So, like I said, pretty much with each section, you're going to run into another boss. So, here we have Florina. Alright, so that takes her out. So like I said before, drop the current ability, you want to pick up theirs. Alright. A little bit of eggs here. So now what you're going to do is basically just, tornado across. So we're going to hold our B button. Get that activated. There's a switch in here. Hit that. Mouthful ability, this vending machine. And haul to the other side. Take this out. Jump. And there's our next Waddle Dee. Number 2. Alright, let's spit this out now. Don't need that anymore. So up here, gonna be your Elflin poster. Take that out. Don't forget to hit those before you leave. That is 2 of 4 right there. Halfway done with that one. Alright, now I am going to drop this ability. I don't necessarily want the ice ability. There's Capsule, and I'm going to get... Oh, I did not get hit. Oh, I did get hit by the bomb. Alright, so I'm actually going to take the bomber. It's going to make this next one a little easier. And just like that, Wild Bonker is taken out easy peasy. Let's drop his ability. He winds up and home run. Alright, So now, you hit this log here. That is going to open up our next area. So, pretty simple. You know, pretty simple so far. You're beating all the bosses you beat before. Now this one is going to have a little timer to it. So, of course, we're going to take our poster out first. Now this one, you're just going to book it. So, we're going to smack the log. Alright, there's our Waddle Dee. It's going to draw back these sections of the wall. But they do start to come back out. So, you want to book it as fast as you can. So once we get up here, we're going to become the Kirby car again, and we're just going to boost straight across. So of course, hold B to boost, A to jump right there, and boom, easy peasy, number 3 Waddle Dee. Spit that out. And we are gone. Alright, so now, the hardest part, in my opinion, this is going to be your easiest bet right here. So, I'm going to drop this ability, jump down here, get a waddle. Oop. Okay, don't forget to hit A. Alright, so save our Waddle Dee. Now we're just going to float back up here. So of course you got the little digger guy, the little moles. Take his ability. Now, you want to be upgraded to the pencil sharpener version of this. So, this is the easiest way I've found to do this here. While you're underground, if you complete a full circle, square, you know, just a full round, you create an explosion area. That just inflicts huge damage. Just like that. So you want to keep just circling. Try to avoid the snowballs. Oh, this is so sketchy. Of course, avoid. Oh no! There it is. I just hit the ice. And we're back. Of course, missed down the first time. So let's try here. Take number 2. I seriously just take damage already? Okay. No, come on. Do it. Alright, so, this is like my 7th try at this, and I kind of forgot to hit record, but we did just defeat the Wild Frosty Twins without taking any damage. Finally! So, after you defeat them, go ahead and drop your pencil drill. You're going to want to collect the ice ability. Now in here, you're going to find a blueprint. Alright, so you collect the blueprint, head over to the right here, and you're going to put out this fire here. Now, what you want to do is this little kabu here. freeze him and send him around. Oh, he kind of disappeared there. Hold on. Try that again. Alright, send him around. He's going to hit the switch. That will bring up a platform so we can mouthful ability our pipe here. And jump right across. So we're going to jump, jump, and boom, right there. Now this will be the location of our last Elflin poster, so you're going to hit that. You collect your Waddle Dee. And head right back to the portal here. So now, once you've done all that, that will officially complete all missions. So we're going to hit this little glowing spot. Maybe, there we go. Get us a capsule. And collect the last of our Waddle Dees. Now you can see those are coins. I went ahead and defeated the level already to help save time so I could run straight through. But as you can see, we've cleared the stage, saved the hidden Waddle Dees, removed 4 wanted posters, beat Twin Wild Frosty without getting hit, and take a detour to find a Maxim Tomato. So let's see what we got in our capsules today. Alright, we got Bomb Kirby, and a Gigetso? I don't know. And that is the video, guys. Alright, guys, and that is the Battle of Blizzard Bridge, 100% complete. Now, like I said, that one mission, defeat Twin Wild Frosties, is just grueling. I've been at it now for well over an hour trying to defeat them. Any little bit of damage you hit or take is just defeats the whole mission. So, I hope this video helps. I apologize in advance for not hitting record while I actually defeated them, of course, the one time I beat them. But if you liked the video, hit that subscribe, smack that like button, and until next time, bye-bye.